Hello, welcome to this demonstration. In this demonstration, we are going to look at how to create a folder in Windows 11. To do that, we're going to start from desktop. If you look at the cursor here, it's jiggling, it's moving around. If I right click, I will be able to go to new. The right click brings up the short context menu. The context menu, and then from the shortcut, I can select the menu there to create my folder. So if I go to new, it will bring this pop up, will bring it up, and I'll go all the way to the top and left click, and that will create my new folder. While it's still selected with that blue highlight over the letters, I can rename it. Let's say it is for a meeting on the 21st of May 2023. Let's give it the name of today's date, May 21st, and that's it right there. Once you create it, you can move it around to other folders, but right now it is on my desktop folder. I can rename this file where it is. If I right click, notice that unlike in Windows 10, I don't have my rename menu right here. I don't have that selection here once I right click. In Windows 11, it's a little different. I have to go all the way down here and left click to expose more options, and all the way towards the bottom, left click again, and it will highlight this in blue, and that means I can now rename it. Let me call it Saturday, just a random name. So that's how to create a folder on a desktop in Windows 10. Let's go into another location, another directory. If you look at here in the taskbar here, you can right click on this to go into File Explorer. Once you left click, you open up File Explorer, and you can pretty much navigate to your flash drive if you know what it's named. Mine is called Portable SSD, and you can create any folder here. If I go to New, I can left click here and create a folder. Let me call this folder Friday. I hit enter, and that's it right here. If I refresh it here by clicking here, it's going to move that folder, rearrange it, move it from the bottom, and align it in alphabetical order based on my setting. Even though I create the folder from here, I can also right click anywhere in an empty space, go down here to expand the context menu, and select new. You see that? And folder is right here. I left click, and you got another empty one that's highlighted in blue. I can name this one Thursday. And if I refresh, it gets aligned according to the alphabetical order location here. And I can right click to open it. I can double click to open it. It's right there, empty blank space. I can create another folder inside it. Let me right click here, click at the bottom to expand, and left click here to select it. Now I have this folder. While it has this blue highlight, I will go ahead and name it. Let me call it Wednesday. Once I type the name, I hit enter, it is saved. So right now in my portable drive, my flash drive, I have this folder called Thursday. When I double click, I open, and I have Wednesday. When I double click, I have another one called Wednesday inside Thursday. So if I click on Thursday again, it will collapse. And now I see Wednesday inside it. In addition to double clicking, I can also right click the Wednesday file and say open, and they will open it. And this is the file path to my Wednesday folder from this PC, which is the main repository of everything else, to my portable drive, and then to this folder, and then the child folder. Inside this child folder, which is where I am now, this tells you where you are. I can right click and create another one and call it Tuesday. And guess what happens when I open Tuesday? Keep an eye on this path. If I double click, look at that. It shows the file path from Thursday to Wednesday to Tuesday. If I go into Tuesday, if I go to Wednesday, I see Tuesday. If I double click, I'm inside Tuesday now. I can create another one inside it, which is the child of Tuesday. Let me call that Monday. So I can keep creating and creating and creating, and each one of the parent file folder will have a child folder right below it. Looks like my battery is about to die, so I want to go ahead and conclude. So we've been able to see how to create a folder from the location where you are. You can create it inside your flash drive. You can go to your documents where it says my documents folder, or even your OneDrive or online storage. If I go to my documents, the same thing, I can right click and select new and create a folder. So any location, any storage, any directory inside your computer is a suitable place to create a folder to store your items. If I have a file, let me create a quick file here, which I'll call Monday file. I can save it directly to that my Monday folder. I say save as, and I will look for my flash drive, go all the way down there to where it has my flash drive, click on it, go to Friday, and looks like it's there by itself. I can save it to Friday, or I can go to Thursday that has child folders and keep navigating until I get to Monday. I double click to open to this Wednesday, Thursday to Wednesday, open it to Tuesday, and then to Monday, and then here. And I save my Monday file. If I close it, I go back there, I'll see my Monday file. Let me go to that portable storage and navigate by double clicking or even right click and open and keep going until I get to my Monday folder. Here is my Monday file. All right. That is how you create a folder in Windows 11, excuse me. Thank you.